Hey guys, here in the garden, and today I've got something for you northerners. I know a lot of times you guys feel left out because I'm always doing tropical plants and things that you can't grow up there. But today we're gonna do mulberries. And I know mulberries can grow all the way up to Canada because I had mulberries growing when I was a kid and I grew up in Canada. So we just cut some mulberries that we grafted. This is an ever-bearing mulberry. So all we're gonna do to root this mulberry, we're gonna cut off some of the lower limbs. We might even root these lower limbs as well. And we're gonna cut off pretty much most of the branches. We kind of want to have something like this. All we're going to do, we've got some aloe, and we're just going to take some aloe and we're going to rub that around. I'm going to scar this up just a little bit just to get to the cambium. So just get to that green layer there, the cambium. And we're going to add this aloe on here. And aloe is a great rooting hormone. It stimulates root development. And all we're going to do, we're going to take a pencil. And we're gonna stick a pencil in here just to make a hole for us so we don't rub off all of our aloe. We're gonna put this down the hole, and there we go. This is gonna grow. We're gonna root a mulberry tree. It's one of the easiest plants to root. So if you have some mulberry cuttings, don't throw them away. You can root them super easy. And then you can graft onto them too, all right? See you guys, for more tips, hang in there. All right, bye guys.